Hello, Chef here in one of the kitchens, and I'm working with shrimp today. I thought I would share this with you, a couple of little tips. So you already know butterflied shrimp, I'm sure. Right there is a butterflied shrimp, okay? Yeah, you can do a lot of cool things with the butterflied shrimp. Now here's another shrimp idea for you. You cut a hole in it right there like this and bring the tail back through. Okay, it makes a nice presentation. And it's just kind of unusual. You don't see it very often, so it's pretty cool. More of a standing shrimp. So there you go. Very easy to remove the tail later. Right there I got a standing shrimp. Yeah. Okay, the shrimp go in like this. Little garlic in there. Yeah. Some pasta. These standing shrimp. Looking really, really good. Alright, and the last thing I got here, pinch of tomatoes, and a little bit of sauteed cauliflower. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.